Hello guys, in this video we'll see how to download, install and configure MySQL Server 9.3 on Oracle Linux 10.0. Open the default web browser that comes with Oracle Linux. Then go to MySQL official website, that is mysql.com. Then click on downloads. Then scroll down, click on MySQL community downloads. Then select MySQL community server. Then see here we have the version 9.3. If you are unable to find the version from this list, you can search here. Then you can go through this archives. There you will find all older versions. Then select the operating systems. Select RHEL or Oracle Linux and select the version. See, we have the RHEL 10 or Oracle Linux 10. Select this x86 64. See, once we selected these options, it populated the list of the RPM packages that needs to be downloaded and installed. But instead of downloading each package, just to download this RPM bundle. So click on download. Then click on no thanks, just start my download. See, download started and its size is 904 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, then we will extract this star file and we will install it. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads directory, ls. Now we have to enter this one, tar-xf, give MySQL, press the tab to autofill entire tar file name, hit enter, ls. See, we have the list of the RPM packages. We have to install them. Sudo control sudo rpm -ivh nodeps start.rpm. Hit enter. Then provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. See, we are installing MySQL Server 9.3.0. See, we have successfully installed. Now verify the status of the MySQL service. Sudo systemctl status mysqld. See, MySQL Server is installed, but it is not started. So start it. Q to quit. Sudo systemctl start mysqld. Now verify the status. See, MySQL Server is active and running. Okay. Q to quit, Control L. Now connect to MySQL Server. But to connect to MySQL Server, we must have the password of the root account. So you can get the temporary password by going to /var log mysqld.log grep password. Enter. We have to run this with sudo hit enter. See, we got the temporary password. This is not same for you. Now more sudo mysql _secure installation. Now we have to provide this temporary password. Copy, paste it. Hit enter. Now set the password for root account. Remember this password later. We need this password to log in. No. Remove anonymous users. Yes. Hello. No. Remove test user, test database. Yes. Reload privileges. Yes. All done. So we have successfully set the password for root account. Now connect to MySQL Server. MySQL-u root-p. Provide the password that we have set for the root account. See, we have successfully logged into the MySQL Server 9.3.0. We can also verify the same by running the command select version. See, we got the same version number. Okay. Now verify the list of the databases. Show databases. See, these are the default databases that comes with MySQL installation. Let us create a database. Now verify again. See, we have created database. Let us switch to this database and create a table. To switch to database, we have to run this use and provide the database name. Hit enter. See, now database change. Now verify the list of the tables in this database. See, you don't have any tables. Let us create a table. Create table. See, we have created table. Let us insert some data into this table. See, we have inserted these two rows. Okay, now verify list of users and create user. Show users, this won't work, but we can get the list of the users by running the query. Select use user from mysql.user. See, these are the default users that comes with MySQL Server 9.3 installation. Create user. See, whatever is there in singular double quotes, it is the password. Now verify, show users, it won't work. See, we have created user David. Okay, now we will see how to connect to MySQL Server with this new user. So exit from the current session, mysql-u david-p, then provide the password. See, whatever is there in singular double quotes, it is the password. See, we have successfully connected to MySQL Server 9.3.0. Let also verify the currently logged in user. Select current underscore user. See, we have successfully connected to MySQL Server with the new user David. Now try to access the database that we have created. Use bank. See, access denied for user David to database bank because we have created user but we haven't granted any privileges. That's why we have received this error. Exit. Now we will see how to stop, start and restart MySQL Server 9.3.0 on Oracle Linux. Sudo systemctl stop mysqld. Now verify the status. Sudo systemctl status mysqld. See, MySQL Server is stopped. Okay, we took it. We can also start by running the command. You can also verify mysql-u root-b. See, we are unable to connect because MySQL Server is stopped. So start it again. Sudo systemctl start mysqld. Verify the status. See, we are able to connect. Also verify by running the command. See, MySQL Server is started 9 seconds ago. Quit it. If you want to restart, just give sudo systemctl restart mysql d. Now verify the status. See, MySQL Server is restarted 1 second ago. Quit it. Control L ls. These files are not required anymore because we have successfully installed MySQL Server 9.3. So delete them. rm u star.rpm. So it will delete all these RPM packages from this current directory. So you must be in the downloads directory. Then hit enter. ls. See, we have cleared the. See, we have deleted the RPM packages. Also remove this one. rm give mysql. Hit enter. See, we have cleared the space. Okay. Until now we have connected MySQL Server by using MySQL client. You can also connect MySQL Server by using the most popular tools like MySQL Workbench and dbeaver. You can search for my YouTube channel how to install both the dbeaver and MySQL Workbench on Oracle Linux operating systems. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download, install and configure MySQL Server 9.3.0 on Oracle Linux 10.0. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.